Oh man, this is dope. I like this a lot. I like my RGB lights. And so this is how my everything looks like. And if you can go on and include this right here, Telesin, thank you so much. And I'm very, very thankful. Another product I received from Telesin, the second product is this light right here. This is RGB, Telesin magnetic RGB video light. I really, really like this product. I already opened it, and just bear with me. I'm gonna open this product and show you exactly how it looks. If you open inside, it's gonna look like this. You got your catalog here, and we put that away. And this is how the light looks. It's very tiny. And you have your call shoot here from your camera. And you can see it. You got one here. You can put the camera right there and put the light inside here. It's a magnetic mount. You can turn it on right here. And you see the light. It's right there. That's how it looks. You got different light, RGB lights. You can see it right there. Go up in the second one. And that's it right there. That's the second one. And it's very, very simple. The beauty about this lighting now is that you can go on and pull this light, and I mean, there's a bunch, but the light looks beautiful. This is how now it goes on. You can go on and basically light your stuff. Really nice. You can go and change the color of this light, the brightness. One thing I love about this light that it's a magnetic. Everything is magnetic. When you take this screen off, where you can put this thing is magnetic, the plastic. Have a bunch of this inside when you buy this, because if you lose this, you screw. I like that they thought about having a magnetic light to work on, and this is where you change the light, the color, the brightness. You can basically keep pressing. This is how bright it goes. This is how bright it goes, and you can lower it down. You can dim it down however you want it. You can dim this light, and the way to change the color, just press. You press once, keep changing the color, and whatever color you like, just go and press it, and then you can lower it. Now you can dim it down. It's much easier, and you can brightness it up, so bright. That way you can change everything. I like this so much. I mean, this is probably it's gonna be my favorite product. I'll be using this most of the time with my camera. When you have this, you can be able to record yourself, and this is how it looks. Really, really handy, and it looks professional. I wish they have like a bigger lights like this, the RGB light, but yeah, this is how it goes. And we got one here, so we're gonna go to the next product. This is going to be action camera filter. We have action camera here. This is very, very good. I don't know about you guys, but Telesin is doing so much, some good stuff, high quality. I haven't opened it. Let's see how it looks. And I'm gonna open this. It's very, very hard. I'm an audio guy. I'm not a video guy. So when it comes to videographer, my style is very simple and easy, plug and play. So we have a filter here, the ND filter, action camera filter. So we're gonna go and check all this filter. We got 4 different ND filter. Got one here, that's 32, ND 32. And we have ND 16, and we got ND 8. And we have ND 1. It basically goes with the numbers. I think I've saw one person has like a one action camera that has all the ND filter, one ND filter. For you guys who do strict, photographer camera, I mean, I live in the city. I'm in New York City where I got so many videos I was recording, and if I can show you how the camera looks like, how the light looks like, you're not gonna like it. I think I love Action 6, but when it comes to lighting, it's not really good. I believe this ND filter is gonna help a lot when you go on. I believe this one is just, plug in and go. It looks really good. This is how it looks. If we can go on and remove all the filter, and just to see one filter how it looks. This is a filter. You can see it right there, how it looks. It looks really good. And we can go and check all the filter. That's the one that you guys need to go. And I believe the price is gonna be, I'm gonna leave the link down below, but the price is on Amazon. The price is really good for this one. We're gonna keep going. The next product I'm gonna review is going to be, this is the next product I'm gonna review. This is mini storage bag. This is a mini storage bag, and I would love to review this because for me, when I like to carry I'm gonna leave this on because I just like this so much. This is really beautiful. I like the grip. It looks like my camera. All my camera has a grip, so if you look to every single camera I have here, I have 4 different cameras, 5 different angles, and all of them have a grip. So for me to have a grip on my phone, on my Action 6, it's really good. I like this a lot. The next product we're gonna review is gonna be storage, the mini storage bag. I'm gonna open this from Telesin. It's very colorful. I do not really, I'm a color blind, so I don't really like my stuff to be colorful. All my stuff that I buy, it's all black. I can't complain it because this is free stuff that been Telesin sent it to me, but this is very colorful. If I would like to buy one, I will get like a black color because it just blends with all my stuff. All my equipment, all my camera is all black. So if I will buy some, I would like to do it like with the color black. But I'm very thankful that Telesin sent this to me. Let me just open this. I'm gonna remove, and then let's see how good Action 6 fit on this. And we got all the cushion, which is really nice. Put your stuff in, very thoughtful. And you just go on and put your camera inside, just like this. And this is how now it looks from the inside. Really nice. You can go on and close. And when you close it, just basically like this. And this is how it looks now. For Action 6, said Telesin, back to enjoyable. Yeah. So that's it. It's really good, very sturdy. If I will buy this, I will buy the color black because, like I said, I like the color. It's too bright for me. I don't like bright stuff. But this is a free product from Telesin, so I'm very grateful and thankful for it. So we're gonna take this back, and the next product that we're going to review is going to be this right here. This is the next product, accessory medium storage bag. We had a small storage bag, the mini storage bag, and now we got medium accessory medium storage bag. So let's open this. and let's see how it looks inside. And I think it's inside the box. Really handy. Like, the material, it's so good. Telesin, back to enjoyable. Yeah, I like this one because it's big. This is a medium storage bag, and if you open it, this is how the medium storage bag looks like. Does it have something inside? Oh yeah, it's got, if we look, it's got all this stuff. The bag. This is the handle. What is the grip to hold it? And where does this goes? I believe here. So this one goes in the back here. This is how you put it in the back. Basically, bam. And now you can hold it just like this, where everything is there. Telesin back to enjoyable. And I believe this is for your camera. Just put your camera here. It goes like this, I believe so. Yep. Or maybe this is gonna be, put that in and then just put this on top. I think so. You know, so you have your camera here, and you got your NDI filter. You now go on and put some ND filter here. You got 2. Just want to make sure I don't touch it. You got 3. You got 4 ND filter. And we got also the battery pack. So we got the batteries, it's already there. And I've got 2 more batteries carrying case. So basically you can go on and put your batteries here. You know, it's really nice now. So I think I like this better. So yeah, this is Action 6, all included. This is how Action 6 looks like now. And if you can go on and look the inside, really nice. I like this. With the Action 6 carrying case now, the batteries, we can remove it and just basically leave everything inside. So guys, this was my accessory from Telesin. And if you really need something, I'm probably also gonna put my camera or my microphone right here, and I'll be able to carry everywhere I go. So I really like this medium case. I like it much. And we have a lighting also that we get. I'm gonna include all this inside. You know, you can put this RGB lights in here, turn it on, and we can see. Oh man, this is dope. I like this a lot. You know, I like my RGB lights. And so this is how my everything looks like. And if you can go on and include this right here. Telesin, thank you so much. I'm very thankful for your gift. So I'm gonna start carrying this everywhere, and this is how my accessory looks like. You know, let me know guys down below, would you get this accessory? This is one and done for everything. So if you got money to buy all these things, I think it's worth it. And the company has put a lot of thought and just thinking for you to have all this thing in one bag. I really love this. So thumbs up for Telesin. And I'm gonna put the link down below for everything that you need from Amazon for these videos. So yeah, And let me close it up. Let's see how it's gonna look like when I carry this, you know, this bag with me everywhere I go. Let's see. I'm gonna see just how it's gonna look like. Let's see. I'm gonna close this. Oh, it closed. Look, guys, all my stuff is here. Everything is inside included. And I got my case here. Everything is closed, guys. That's insane. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna close this and let's see how it looks now. You can go on and close this up and carry this with you everywhere. And again, the bag I'll buy is black. I don't like the color. It's very vibrant color, which is really good, the gray color. But since all my stuff, all my equipment is black, I'd rather have a black case than having this. But it's really, really good that you can have this with you and carry this everywhere I go. And it's very light. And all the stuff is included inside. Beside the case, so the tripod, and now I can carry this with me everywhere. So yeah, this is it right here, guys. I hope you had enjoyed the video that I made. Please let me know and comment down below, would you get this stuff with you? Thank you so much, Telesin, for sending me all this product. I'm really, really thankful for all this stuff. I mean, I would like to see you guys catch this. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. We'll talk again soon. Bye.